Hey guys, well this is part 3 of my restoration of my 1995 Ford E150 Econoline van. Just giving it a makeover, and the last video was putting the carpet on and painting the black and everything here on this engine cover. Today I think I've got time to do the dash. What I'm going to do is I'm going to dye it black. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on the prep work, wipe it down with some acetone, and then mask everything off and spray it black. It's a good idea when working with acetone to wear gloves, because this stuff's kind of nasty. It'll dry out your skin. So what I'm going to do is wipe down the whole dash, everything that you see that's blue, with the acetone. The purpose of the acetone is it takes off the oil and it takes off the grease, anything else that's on top of it. So, and it also gives something for the paint to adhere to. It kind of like creates a bite for the paint. So the acetone I usually pick up at Home Depot and go just buy a gallon. It doesn't cost that much, but what it does is it helps in the adhesion of the new paint, because it takes off the oils. It also prevents what's called orange peel or fisheye. Fisheye is the one I'm thinking about, where the paint doesn't adhere over oil and it makes like a weird bubble looking thing, and they call it fisheye, where the paint doesn't want to stick in a certain area. Almost looks like a bubble. I guess while I'm at it, might as well do the kick panels. That'll work. This is the paint of choice here. I decided to go with a flat black because it's going on the dash, that way I don't get a glare off the dash. What I did here is, instead of using masking paper, what I did is I just got some cardboard to block out the edges here, so that way I can just catch what I gotta catch and not paint everything else that I don't want painted. Kind of like that. I'll go ahead and take this off. That way it doesn't get painted. I'll mask that door jamb there, I think. Or what the heck, maybe I'll just use the cardboard again. Just stick the cardboard down there like that. I'm not too worried about getting overspray on the carpet, because that's going to be changed. I realize that there's a lot of air pressure and a lot of paint with this can here, so I got to put lighter coats. Covers pretty well, don't need too much. Just get rid of the blue. So I'm doing the lower half first for practice, because like you can see here, a little bit too much paint went on. Looks a little globby, so I don't want that to happen over the top of the on top of the dash where you see it, top or front. So I'm getting in my practice right now to see how this can sprays. So what I did here is I catch all my edges first, make sure everything's got a nice coat on all the edges. and then I'll fill in the middle last. So all the edges are done. I'm gonna go ahead and paint the whole thing now, give it one good coat. I let the dash dry for a while, so now it looks uniform. All the solvents come out the dash. Now I have a black dash now. If you like what you saw in this video, please hit the like button and the subscribe button if you want to see the progress on this van. So I'd really appreciate that for sure. Got a lot more to come in this van here. So I got the kick panels are done. Got the under the dash done. Everything's done. There's no more blue. So I'm gonna close out this video here, and we'll see you in the next one.